Hello, I'm going to help you find the assignment that you had emailed me the images for. I am in your class. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to get to the week of 9/28, 10/2. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to go down to the models question. I'm going to go down to prove it. And then I'm going to go to Pythagorean theorem models. And then when you resume, I have access denied because I'm not allowed to do yours, but each of the classes, and that's where you would do is you would resume it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get out of your class. I'm going to get out as you, and so now I'm me. It's just a click of a button, and I'm going to get right back to what it looks like. And when I come here and I go here, I have a button, but when I click on it, this is your attempt, and these problems match the paper that you sent me a picture of. You put your answers in here, you scroll through, you keep scrolling, you do all of them, you keep doing them, and then this last question is where you upload your questions. Practice it here so we can get that taken care of. You review it, you finish it, and then you submit it. Thank you.